Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to use the Loomis method technique to draw a head. You know, the Loomis method is a fundamental technique for artists, particularly in mastering the complexities of drawing heads from various angles and perspectives. Let's understand why mastering different head angles and perspectives is crucial for artists. As creators, we often aim to depict characters and scenes realistically or with a specific artistic vision in mind. Whether it is for illustration, character design, or fine art, having the ability to draw heads from different angles adds depth and dimension to our work. It allows us to create dynamic compositions and convey emotions more convincingly. This knowledge becomes invaluable when drawing from live or reference photos, as it enables artists to accurately interpret what they see and translate it onto paper. Another aspect worth mentioning is the practicality of the Loomis method. A systematic approach makes it accessible to artists of all skill levels, from beginners to seasoned professionals. By following a step-by-step guidelines, artists can gradually build their proficiency and confidence in drawing heads from different angles. In conclusion, the Loomis method plays a vital role in an artist's toolkit, providing a solid foundation for capturing different head angles and perspectives. Its systematic approach, versatility, and emphasis on observational skills make it an essential technique for artists striving to create compelling and realistic portrayals of human head. So, whether you are a beginner looking to improve your drawing skills or an experienced artist seeking to refine your craft, mastering the Loomis method will undoubtedly elevate your artwork to new heights. Happy drawing!